Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Coinbase. The report was first published on our website Thursday, August 4, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Coinbase? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since August 3, 2022, our system ranks the Coinbase stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 0.000. This is an average return of 5.01% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for Coinbase, our last headline reads, big movements in Coinbase stock price on Thursday, moving 34.01% between high and low. The Coinbase stock price gained 10.01% on the last trading day, Thursday, August 4, 2022, rising from $80.81 to $88.90. And has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 34.01% from a day low at $86.79 to a day high of $116.30. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 20.17% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 30 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 54 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $4.82 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $368.90, and the lowest price was $40.83. Right now the price is 75.9%, or $280, below 52-week high and 79.3%, or $340.64, below all-time high April 14, 2021 where the price hit $429.54. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend up. Firstly, a slower falling rate is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support on the roof of the current trend broken, which is $69.13, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $96.10 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 15.16% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 59.76% and minus 34.02%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 63.32% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between minus 100% and minus 34.91%. This equals a price between $0 and $57.86 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Coinbase stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Coinbase stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Coinbase. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Coinbase stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $69.10 and $59.51. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, June 30, 2022, and so far it has risen 89.07%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 25 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 143 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 154 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 161 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Coinbase. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $75.27 and $72.99. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Coinbase finds support just below today's level at $75.27. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $72.99 and $67.87. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $29.52 between high and low, or 34.01%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 16.93%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Coinbase. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Coinbase currently has a price-earning ratio of 8.26. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Next upcoming earnings report for Q2 2022 is expected to be released August 9, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are -$3.04. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Coinbase meets first resistance at $103.74. If you do not hold Coinbase shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Coinbase finds first level of support at $75.27, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Coinbase is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On June 30, 2022, Kramer Kelly A. made an inside buy of 319 of restricted stock units. On June 30, 2022, Rajaram Gokul made an inside buy of 319 of restricted stock units. On June 1, 2022, Lutki Tobias made an inside sell of 522 of restricted stock units. On June 1, 2022, Lutki Tobias made an inside sell of 4,371 of restricted stock units. On June 1, 2022, Lutki Tobias made an inside buy of 522 of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 70.468. In total, the insiders bought 1,733,072 and sold 272,330 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $85.74, minus 3.56%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 24 days ago. Is Coinbase stock a buy? Coinbase holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 5th, we expect Coinbase to open up $8.43 and start trading at $97.33. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.